Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to review and complete documents without signing in BoldSign. In BoldSign, the read-only option for form fields lets senders send a document for review without requiring recipients to fill out any fields. This allows signers to review the document's content, verify accuracy, and finalize it without making any changes, streamlining the approval process. Imagine a scenario where a legal advisor needs to send a legal agreement to a client for review. The client only needs to read the document without making changes or providing information. In BoldSign, adding a reviewer requires at least one signer. Since only one recipient should be a reviewer, they can be assigned as a signer, with form fields set to read only. This allows the client to access and review the document without making any changes. Let me demonstrate how a legal advisor would complete this process in detail. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. This navigates to the Prepare Document for Signing page, where I upload the legal agreement to the Add Files section. Next, I enter the client's details in the Add Recipient section. When I try to assign the reviewer role to the client, an error message appears stating that a reviewer cannot be assigned without a signer. So I assign the client as a signer. After reviewing the remaining sections, I click the Next button to proceed to the Configure Fields page. On this page, I need to add a form field and enable the read-only feature. I'll use the text box field for this. I place it at the bottom of the page and add the text to review the document completely in the default text field. Then I set the field to read only to prevent any edits. If you want to use other fields, you can follow the same steps to set them to read only. After reviewing my changes, I send the document for signature. Now, let's switch to the signer's side and see how the document appears. The signer receives a signature request email with a link to review the document. When I click the Review and Sign button in the email, I am navigated to the signing page. Here the text box field is visible and contains the instruction, but remains non-editable. After reviewing the document, the signer clicks the Finish button to confirm approval. That summarizes how to send a document for review without the form field in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.